UFabrik is a manufacturer of wide format textiles. Our materials portfolio covers 95% of all the applications that are required for the retail events and exhibition markets. It's compatible with all UV latex and dye sublimation technologies. And through our innovation, we're breaking new ground in the quality, consistency and cost equation.
UFabrik is manufactured at our 64-acre facility in Weifang, China, and our first overseas production plant in Thailand. We're one of the largest global producers of display textile materials and are trusted by the world's leading international printer equipment manufacturers.
Our Chinese and Thai manufacturing facilities represent an investment in excess of $700 million. Our contained supply chain that encompasses weaving, washing, dyeing, coating and finishing enables us to perform at an unparalleled competitive level. With 14 coating lines currently in operation and we have future lines planned for implementation, this again sets us to a level of real scalability as the market develops.
We have an excellent R&D team that places innovation, quality, continuity, and cost-effectiveness at the heart of all we do. Customers are demanding environmental protection, energy savings, and reductions in carbon emissions, which as a manufacturer is our responsibility and mission.
A growing number of our materials are now being manufactured utilizing yarns produced from recycled single-use plastic waste. All other products are polyester-based, which means that they can be recycled or safely processed through waste-to-energy conversion. All our textile materials are REACH compliant, and because they're lighter in weight compared to historical display graphics materials, during transportation, that means they deliver a lower carbon footprint. There are tremendous opportunities in the traditional and non-traditional textile markets. And in the US, for example, forecasts are predicting growth of in excess of $2.5 billion by 2030. For the Americas, our established distribution network and logistics infrastructure enables us to provide vast levels of stock, state to state, country to country, quickly and efficiently.